Dear Spirit, in this now moment that supports my current form, I call forward the version of me who is energetic, passionate, and creatively inspired to pursue manifestation in the universe. I understand that my ability to create is unique to the universe, and no soul, past, present, or future, can create something that's authentic to my soul. Within this position of power, I create effortlessly within the flow of universal consciousness, and within this pursuit of creation, I get closer to my own creative source. In this state, I awaken the imagination of the inner child, and I create from a place of joy rather than necessity. When I create my reality consciously, the universe responds by providing a high vibrational space for me to create in. I understand that when I create in this reality with passion, I inspire and motivate others to do the same. So be it, and so it is.